Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to turn on or enable reposts in Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for Instagram in Google Play or App Store. After that you need to see if you have update on Instagram. So if you have an update, you need to just click on update. After that, after you updated your Instagram app, you need to open it. So from here you need to click on your profile picture on the down right corner. After that you need to click on the settings menu or the three lines on the top right corner. After you do so, you need to scroll down till you find the how others can interact with you, and you can click on sharing and reuse. And now from here you will see the option to enable reposts on posts and reels. You can just enable it or turn it off from here. So now after you enable this option, now you can just repost any post you want, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.